Hey, Regents. Next up, we've got trustless engineering. Now, what exactly is trustless engineering? Well, from the name itself, we can understand what the guys are really good at. So they're building Prism. Prism is a platform as a service that allows businesses to quickly and easily integrate customizable, state-of-the-art machine learning models and AI agents into their blockchain applications. How cool is that? But like, there is so much documentation and stuff. Like, let's actually get into it. Like, let's actually try it out on our own. So yeah, this is Prism, what Prism is all about. And then they also have another AI agent, which is Solana AI. So Solana is their first experiment with Prism agent. Okay, so this is something that basically can answer. This AI agent can answer anything that you ask for on chain. It can answer any query of any transaction on chain, any airdrop, security, convenience, cool stuff. All right, let's actually get into it. So let's get started. And new agent, let's build our own agent. My Prism agent, yeah, I will keep it as default and the prompt as you are a helpful AI agent who specializes in Solana blockchain knowledge. Cool. For context, okay, I will just keep it default. I just want to try it out on how exactly it works, basically have a basic understanding on how it works. So, okay, per agent, it will cost you around $40, which is actually pretty cheap. So if I just click here, it will, yep, it's taking me to the page, but we won't pay for this demo at least. And yeah, it's provisioning. Let's give it some time. It should be done in a sec. We can actually get into it and like see what exactly it works like from the dashboard itself, like how exactly it works. All right, now it's done. You can see that it's showing the healthy status. So we'll basically just click on this. And yeah, this is the dashboard where you can interact with the agent. So yep, this was the prompt we gave. Like this was the default prompt. And it also has like API keys that you can like integrate in your own project. So, okay, there are different tools like for airdrop checker, wallet info finder, token details, token transfer, and Solana history context. For example, let's try for airdrop checker. Yep. And for the prompt, I will give it my wallet address and ask it if I'm eligible for any airdrop. Am I eligible for any airdrop? Now, this will probably don't work. Like, obviously, I haven't paid for it. Yeah. So this is basically the dashboard. And like when you ask it, okay, it's taking some time. It appears that there are no eligible airdrops for the valid address. Okay, this actually worked. Interesting. Okay, let me try some other tools then for like valid info finder maybe. Can you give me info about this valid? There is no information. Okay. It's either empty or not recognized on the Solana blockchain. Of course, it is operating on the Solana blockchain, and I tried with my MetaMask. Okay. Yeah, of course. Yeah, but like we can basically get a very basic understanding on like how exactly it works. And like if we go to API docs, okay, not this. If we go to the documentation part, you'll see that okay, this is something that I covered in the article itself. That how exactly you can like use it, and here's the playground, like basically how it works, how you're gonna write a really good prompt, and like it totally depends on the prompt itself. Like if you give it a really good prompt, then your agent will work really well. And then they also got API, which you can like integrate in your own projects. And yeah, this is basically how you do it. This is the URL, and this is what that generates the result. Like depending on the input you give, it's basically generating a response and then you're printing it. Yeah, basically that's how it works. And it will take your API key, and yeah, that's it. Also, you can like mention what exactly tools you're using. For example, they have used airdrop checker. So yeah, over and all, this is really cool. And like I will just delete the agent for now. But sure, I guess you get a free quota and like you can actually try it out on your own. So yeah, overall, uh, Trustless Engineering guys are doing really good stuff, man. Keep it up. And yeah, that's all about it. We got another gem on Solana, apparently.